Dripify versus Expandi. Which LinkedIn automation tool is better for you? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Dripify and Expandi, two of the top LinkedIn automation platforms used by marketers, recruiters, and sales professionals to generate leads on autopilot. If you're looking to scale your LinkedIn outreach without getting flagged or banned, this comparison will help you pick the tool that best fits your needs and budget. Now let's get started. What is Dripify? Dripify is a cloud-based LinkedIn automation platform that allows you to create drip campaigns and engage with leads without needing to be logged in all day. It runs 24/7 in the background and is ideal for users who want simple campaign flows like auto connection requests, follow-ups, and message sequences. It also comes with built-in CRM dashboard analytics and team collaboration features, making it beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for professionals. On the other hand, what is Expandi? Expandi is a more advanced LinkedIn automation tool, also cloud-based, built with safety and personalization in mind. It allows you to hyper-personalize outreach messages using dynamic placeholders. It supports images and GIF personalization and integrates deeply with tools like HubSpot, Zapier, and webhooks. Expandi is a favorite among agencies and marketers running multiple campaigns across different accounts. Now let's talk about some key differences of both platforms. For instance, platform focus. When it comes on to Dripify, it is mainly focused on simplicity, ease of use, and quick LinkedIn drip campaigns, while Expandi, on the other hand, is designed for advanced users who need full control, personalization, and safety. And if we were to talk about campaign builder, with Dripify it offers an easy-to-use flowchart-based builder with preset LinkedIn actions, while Expandi, on the other hand, is more customizable with detailed conditions, triggers, and integrations. And if we were to talk about personalization, Expandi offers advanced personalization with images, GIFs, and dynamic texts and LinkedIn engagement targeting, while Dripify, on the other hand, offers basic personalization for names and profile info. And if we were to talk about integrations and analytics, with Dripify you'll be getting a basic CRM built-in, CSV exports, and it integrates with HubSpot and Zapier, while Expandi, on the other hand, you will be getting deep integration with CRMs, webhooks, Google Sheets, and Zapier, great for scaling agencies or power users. And if we were to look at their pricing, with Dripify you can get started for free, and their monthly plan begins at $39 and it can go up to $79. While with Expandi, on the other hand, you can also get started for free, and they offer a flat monthly price of $99, as you can see right there. And if you'd like a custom price for agency, you can also get that. So in conclusion, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Expandi if you want full control over LinkedIn campaigns, deeper personalization, and you're running multiple client accounts or scaling outreach. While on the other hand, I would recommend you give Dripify a try if you're looking for a simple, effective LinkedIn automation tool without needing tons of integration or advanced logic. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe